They have finally found Radha. Now the time for giving small threats is over. It's time now to make the final move.
Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law, may I help you?
Do you really want to help me, Anushka?
Yes.
Then listen to me carefully. This is my room. Try to stay away from here as much as you can. That will be very helpful for me. Because your face reminds me that my husband was murdered.
Mother-in-law, how long will you stay mad at me?
Till the rage within my heart stops burning. Till Siddhant gets the killer of his father hanged. Till then. After that, I might forgive you. But till then, you stay away from me. Now leave.
KK had warned you to keep Siddhant away from me. But you thought that I am only words. So now you will see what KK is capable of. I am not accountable for this anymore. But you will be responsible. Save him if you can.
Siddhant! 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 Where is Siddhant?
Mother-in-law?
Where is he? Where is Siddhant?
What happened?
Siddhant! Where is Siddhant?
What happened? He's out. Tell me what happened.
I
Tell
told
me
you
what
not
happened.
to marry my son. I will suffer if anything happens to him. You, Anushka, sometimes a wise man ends up making mistakes.
Mother-in-law, what are you saying? Tell me what happened.
You should leave at once. Leave
Mother-in-law.
my son. Siddhant. Purva.
Mother-in-law.
Purva. What happened, Mom? Call up your brother.
What is it?
Call him up.
What is it?
No, call him up. Tell him that
everything
I'm
all right?
calling
What
him.
happened, Mom?
Tell him I'm calling him at once. Call him.
What are you saying? Tell me what happened, Mom.
KK will not spare him. Call up Siddhant. Call up Siddhant. Call him up. Siddhant. Nothing should happen to him. Siddhant.
Rao, what is the report?
Sir, Sweetie just left the NGO. The priest and Radha left as well. But they are going in another direction. They are headed in different directions. They are trying to trick me, sir.
So, whom will you follow?
You tell me.
Where will Siddhant be at this time?
I have asked my guy to tail him, sir. He's going towards the office.
He is the biggest threat. You know what to do, don't you, Rao?
I know, sir.
Some people need to be taught a lesson. You shall see, Siddhant, how I will now teach you a lesson. You will never be able to rise.
What is it?
The phone is ringing, but brother is not answering the phone. Brother, are you all right?
Why? What will happen to me?
Siddhant, where are you? Okay, listen. Drop everything you are doing and come home at once.
What's the matter, Mom?
No, just come home. Listen to your mom. I'm feeling very scared, Siddhant.
Okay, Mom, I'm coming right away. You don't be worried.
Okay. He's coming.
What happened to Mom all of a sudden? Yes, Mr. Sweetie.
Sir, I found Krishnamurthy's daughter. Rao and KK Reddy have kept her in the NGO.
Good. Where is she right now?
I have called her to my office. Meet me there. I am on my way.
Okay.
Something is definitely wrong. She was so worried and she was crying a lot. I need to see why she and Siddhant feel that father-in-law was killed. How can they be so sure that my dad did it? What is this? Call records of father-in-law? Dad? What's this?
Yes, Miss Anushka.
Hello, Mr. Sweetie. I have something very important to discuss with you. Whatever you and Siddhant have found out so far, which can confirm if Dad... I need all the information. Please tell me, when can you meet me?
This means that you are convinced now that Mr. Siddhant is speaking the truth.
No, that's not the case. I still believe in my dad. I just want to see from Siddhant's perspective. I want to understand why he thinks that my dad is a murderer. How can be he so sure about it?
Okay, Miss Anushka. Are you ready to hear the truth then?
Mr. Sweetie, I'm ready. So tell me, when can you meet me?
Okay, fine. I will bring such an evidence which will convince you that Mr. Siddhant is speaking the truth.
Which evidence do you have?
I will get it for you. You can see it on your own. I'll talk to you later, Anushka ma'am. I will meet you later.
Siddhant, where are you? Why haven't you returned home yet?
Mom, I am in the office. I'm coming.
You leave all the work and return home.
Mom, I'm coming. I'm about to leave now. You disconnect the call, I'm coming.
Okay, fine.
It seems I need to go home. Mom sounded disturbed. I better ask Mr. Sweetie to come home. Yes, Mr. Sweetie.
Sir, something is not right.
What happened?
Actually, Father DeMello is saying that he saw Mr. Rao outside the NGO. Today is Sunday and Mr. Rao normally visits the NGO on Thursdays. I think Mr. Rao has grown suspicious.
If you think that Rao has a doubt, then we need to be alert, Mr. Sweetie. You do one thing. You don't meet me at the office. Let's meet somewhere else.
But where, sir?
Where are you right now?
I am in the parking lot of Bikaji Kama place.
Does the place look safe?
Yes, it looks like a safe place.
Okay, fine then. You wait there. I'll see you there.
Okay, sir.
Why are we hiding? What is going on?
Mr. Siddhant is on his way. He will come and explain everything to you. Just don't worry.
What evidence was Mr. Sweetie talking about?
Siddhant thinks that he's very clever, doesn't he? I will prove him wrong, and he will not be able to do anything. Save him, if you can.
Mom, sit. Mom, sit, please. What happened, Mom? I will get water. Mom.
Hello, Siddhant, where are you?
I'm on the way. Tell me.
Please, Siddhant, come home soon. Mother-in-law is very tense.
I'll finish up a small task and be there soon.
Okay, fine.
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू